coming up to the Copper House at Bambu Indah. This is a high up room, unlike our last one. Lots of stairs to climb. Oh, jeez. There's Sarah enjoying the view. Let's see what she's seeing. Nice. There's our previous house, the New Moon house. Got a slingshot here for monkeys. This is the bedroom. At night, this is mostly all a mosquito-netted huge bed. Air conditioning coming out of those top vents. So kept us cool at night. Other than that, it's all open concept. So sink right here. Big copper tub to look out over the property. Rain shower here. Toilet with the built-in bidet, which we appreciate. Plenty of storage. So yeah, it's a nice room. Different vibe from our previous one, but we like it. Still got the coffee bar and the mini fridge and all that. Tea maker, safe.